Howdy, welcome. So my name's Paul and I've got something to show you. You know those fire reflector things come out of Canada, I think. I wanted one, but it was hard to pay $400, so I designed my own and had it made here locally with my own logo. So wanted to show you. Got it here by the fire out in the backyard. So without further ado, here we go. So the one you can buy from that company out of Canada is, each panel is 2 foot by 2 foot. This one is 18 inches by 2 foot. The hinges are riveted, as you can see. Hinges were hard to find, but at a good price. Why pay $400 when you can make your own with the logo you want on it for less? Good question, eh? Hollywood is here enjoying the fire with me. How you doing, Hollywood?
I'm doing wonderful. We had a wonderful trip. We just got home and we're trying out our new, what's it called?
I don't know, fire reflector.
Yeah.
Yeah. It works pretty good. We were testing it out. We tested it with and without, and it definitely makes a difference.
I like how the fire is already turning it a different color. Like it's,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah, it could be brushed or something different.
That's our train.
But I think it came out really well.
It did.
So I wanted to show you how this thing folds up. How small it gets. Just like that. So skinny. Easy to just lay on your floorboard, whatever. Store it for your next trip.